Awakening and Mastery shook up the heating industry. Suddenly, passing a training course wasn't just a case of paying to turn up, taking 5 days off work, sitting through someone reading word for word from a slide deck, and having 3 attempts at a multiple choice exam that had 4 possible answers. Heat Geek's training courses showed what we had been missing. It showed that us engineers were capable of more, that we could perform complex calculations, that we could understand the physics that went into how a heating system works. There's always been a stigma associated with people in trades, and it's completely wrong. Heat Geek showed that, and the movement that came off the back of all of this was a sign that more and more people felt the exact same way. Individual heating engineers began teaching each other, helping the next person along. And suddenly, everyone began challenging the system together, and in turn, helped to raise the standards of this industry. But with all that said, we still have a huge issue in the heat pump industry at the moment that really needs addressing. The current level 3 installer courses are, in most cases, letting down our engineers. The stats clearly show that a large number of experienced heating engineers who have taken the initiative to sign up to a heat pump installer course, to book a week off work, losing out on good money, still lack the confidence to go on and actually install a heat pump. Yes, they may have the certificate. They may show up as being successfully trained on a list issued by the government, but something is clearly wrong with these courses. And so we at Heat Geek want to help fix this ever-growing issue. We have put together a brand new training course titled Installergy. This is a course that is solely focused around training an engineer how to confidently design, install, and commission a heat pump system to Heat Geek standards. And who better to put this content together than the world's best heat pump installers? A group of Heat Geeks came together, gave up their time to not only say what should be in the course, but actually build it themselves. Experienced installers at the top of their game, choosing to sit down and pour their knowledge into something that will help every engineer who comes after them because of their genuine desire to help raise the bar. That is what this community has always been about, bottom up rather than top down. Engineers helping engineers. The same spirit that started this whole movement now channeled into something that we believe is going to change heat pump training for good. As you would expect with the creators involved, the content is relevant, up to date and grounded in real world practice. It blends the theory with the practical side of things because as some courses seem to forget, you actually need both when you're on site. Every design principle you need is in there. Calculations are taught alongside the real decisions that they actually lead to. And there's a big focus on the all-important engineering judgment. That confidence to make a call based on what you know to be correct, not just what something says on a piece of paper. The installation side of the content gets into the gritty detail that actually matters in the real world. How do you build a base? What do you do with the external pipework? Which diverter valve do you use and why? And then commissioning, probably the most important part of the whole job, not just getting the system running, but properly optimizing it, monitoring it with modern technology, and actually knowing it's performing in the way it should. And we didn't just stop at creating this course. Again, we want to actually change the heat pump training industry. So we worked alongside NOCN to get Installergy recognized as a regulated level 3 qualification. So what does this mean in practice? As with all our courses, Installergy is completely digital. You learn in your own time, at your own pace, so no time off work and no pressure to keep up with everyone else in the room. And if you get stuck or want to talk something through, our peer-to-peer network is there. Learn as you go, with real support from people who have actually done this. When it comes to the practical assessment, we followed the same mindset that flows throughout all this course. Make it real and make it relevant. Not standing in a training bay, pointing at a heat pump, or matching a tag with the number 2 on it to the word compressor. Your assessment is carried out in real homes with real homeowners, using real modern apps and tools. The person assessing your work isn't someone who hasn't been on the tools for 10 years and also probably never installed a heat pump, but a current Heat Geek installer. Someone that is a genuine expert in assessing what good looks like. Someone that can give feedback that is relevant and helps you moving forward. Being a heating engineer with the knowledge and skills to install a heat pump correctly is truly one of the most important jobs in the world today. And that's not a throwaway comment. The average homeowner trusts the word of the person stood in their kitchen, pumping up their boiler's expansion vessel more than any politician, any policymaker, and any renewable marketing guru. That person has more influence over the energy transition than almost anyone making decisions about it from behind a desk. If that engineer has the confidence and the knowledge to have an honest conversation with that homeowner to explain why a heat pump makes sense for them, what it will actually cost, how it will actually perform, and what needs to happen to make it work properly, that is worth more than any government scheme or advertising campaign ever could. This is why Installergy exists. Our training is available to everyone. Anyone can sign up, work through the content, and pick up the knowledge they need from today. However, to access the official assessment side of things and potentially gain your NOCN qualification, you'll first need to join our Heat Geek Upgrades platform. And it doesn't stop there. Any installer who joins the platform gets free access to Installergy for every employed member of their team, alongside our full team series of free training content. Because we're not just here to train individuals, we're here to help you build your business. And one of the biggest steps you can take towards that is making sure the people around you have the same knowledge, the same standards, and the same confidence that you do.